Alicia. AI Lecture Assistant is one of the most exciting new releases in the AI software space. Whether you're an educator, student, or professional looking to streamline lectures, this tool is something you need to know about. In this video, we'll dive into 7 crucial things you need to know about Alicia, AI Lecture Assistant. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how this powerful tool can change the way you engage with lectures, make learning more efficient, and save you a ton of time. First things first, Alicia. AI Lecture Assistant is designed to help educators and students alike optimize the lecture experience. One of its most impressive features is its ability to generate detailed lecture notes in real time, making it incredibly valuable for students who want to focus on understanding rather than scrambling to write everything down. As lectures progress, Alicia captures the key points and turns them into clear, organized notes. It's like having a personal scribe that never misses a beat. Not only does it take notes, but Alicia is also an excellent study aid. If you're reviewing a lecture later on, you can easily search through your notes by keywords, concepts, or even specific questions. This search functionality is incredibly powerful. Imagine being able to instantly pull up everything related to a specific topic you're studying without having to sift through pages of notes. Another great feature that stands out with Alicia is its ability to summarize complex lectures into digestible chunks. If you're studying a particularly dense or complex subject, Alicia can help by breaking down the content into simpler, more understandable segments. This is especially useful for topics like advanced mathematics, history, or philosophy, where understanding the key concepts is vital. Alicia's AI-driven insights are also worth noting. The software can recommend study resources or additional materials based on the lecture's content. For example, if you're listening to a lecture about quantum physics, Alicia might suggest videos, articles, or research papers that explain the topic in more depth. This feature is a game changer for anyone who needs to go beyond basic lecture content to gain deeper knowledge on a subject. And for educators, Alicia can help streamline the teaching process. It has built-in features for creating quizzes and interactive assessments based on the lecture material. You can quickly generate custom quizzes to test your students' understanding of the material, saving hours of planning and preparation. Alicia's ability to track student progress and identify areas where they're struggling is another major plus for educators looking to provide personalized learning experiences. Another advantage of Alicia is its flexibility and ease of integration. It can work with various lecture formats, whether you're conducting a live class, recording pre-recorded lessons, or working with multimedia content. Alicia seamlessly integrates with different platforms, ensuring that it doesn't matter if you're using Zoom, Google Meet, or even recording videos offline. But what's truly revolutionary is Alicia's collaboration features. Multiple students or educators can share and annotate the same set of notes. This can be incredibly useful for group study sessions, team projects, or collaborative lectures. You can all contribute your insights, highlight key points, and make annotations in real time, enhancing the overall learning experience. And here's something that many people don't realize. You can try Alicia for free. That's right, you can get full access to all of these features without spending a dime. If you're interested, just click the first link in the description below to give it a try. This is your opportunity to experience the future of AI-assisted learning firsthand. To sum it up, Alicia, AI Lecture Assistant is an innovative and practical tool that can transform how lectures are delivered, attended, and reviewed. Its real-time note-taking, search functionalities, AI-driven insights, and collaborative features make it a standout option for anyone involved in education. If you're new to Alicia, don't miss out on exploring this software. You might just wonder how you ever managed without it. Finally, after trying thousands of AI tools, I've compiled a list of my top recommended AI software in the description below. Feel free to check them out and see how they can help boost your productivity, just like Alicia, AI Lecture Assistant has done for many others. Don't forget to give it a try, and happy learning.